I know I'm late to this trend. It's kind of weird because I'm always fast like Lightning McQueen, but when it comes to trends, I'm somehow always behind. I don't know why. So when I finally saw this Tote Pack No AI challenge, I thought, why not join? At first, I wanted to draw it in 2D, but then I thought, why not go full 3D? I realized I didn't have any 3D model of myself, so I wanted to create a cute stylized version, kind of like my own little mascot. No AI, just me. Sculpting, modeling, texturing, just me. Everything me, 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 me. I started the whole thing in ZBrush as usual. I like to keep it simple at first, just basic shapes like spheres, cubes, the classic primitives. And once I had the base blocked out, I started sculpting. I gotta say, it's been a long time since I sculpted something just for the fun of it, like really sit down with no pressures, with ZBrush and vibes, and I loved it. I let the music play and show you a chill time-lapse of the process. Wait. Let me interrupt for a sec. If this happens to you too, when you try to use the curve brush to add tubes or cables over a mesh or whatever, and they just sink into it, here's how to fix it. Go here and then here and voila! Problem solved. By the way, guys, sorry for interrupting you again, but I have a question and maybe you can help me with it. Do you know any website or app where I can find the artist trends? Because I swear that I have no idea why I'm always late to trends. So yeah, maybe you know something about it and you can put it down below in the comment section, and I would really appreciate that. So yeah, thank you. This challenge, really enough, got me kinda emotional. I wasn't expecting that. It made me feel excited again, genuinely excited to sculpt, and I hadn't felt that in a while. Maybe it's also because lately I've had people around me, family, friends, even some new faces that showed up in my life who reminded me how cool it is to do what I love. And yeah, maybe it's that, and maybe it's their support too that kind of gave me that push, and I felt really motivated throughout the whole thing. I didn't go too crazy with the character's texture, just some blush on the cheeks to keep it soft. But once I finished the face and the little cap bursting in Blender, I unwrapped the UVs properly and sent everything to Substance Painter. Yes, I even added glitter, and of course I had to. I didn't know the meme was spelled with an O and not with an U, so yeah. I'm not gonna change it, it's gonna be like that. Then I brought it all into Marmoset, and after a few lighting tweaks here and there, like always, this is the final result. What do you think? Dímelo, come on, tell me, what do you think? Hey! Before we end, I've got a little surprise. I actually did something I've never done before. I 3D printed the model. This is the first time I ever 3D printed something, so yeah, it could be better, but I don't care, it's the first time, so whatever. But honestly, I think it turned out pretty decent. And here's the cutest part. My grandma helped me paint it. She's super crafty, and we ended up spending some time together painting the figure, which was really sweet. So yeah, it's not perfect, but I kinda love that. It feels more special this way. Thanks for watching. If you liked the project, you can find more on Instagram, LinkedIn, Artstation, TikTok, yeah, but I finally caved, and of course here on YouTube. So see you in the next one. Bye.